Our philosophy is if you want people to think, give them intent, not instructions. After watching my 4 boys making shelter, I realized that you don't need any kind of instruction for building a shelter. As in the previous video, my kids built a shelter just with one blade. They used all the resources from around in the nature. Even they used skin from the branch as a rope. If you haven't seen that video, click the link above. And in this video, they established the Tarp without any instruction, and also they haven't done such a camp or training previously. And we were also doing this experiment with the kids to find out what they can do of their own without any instruction or interference. And the outcome is really beautiful in both the videos. Most important thing about making this video in lockdown that the kids had a really good time while making this shelter. They had fun and they enjoyed making it. And I learned from them by just being a watcher. So I think you don't need instructions to build a shelter or tarp in an emergency situation, as necessity is the mother of invention. Do share your thoughts and comment. Like, share and subscribe.
आग जलाना है और हमको मंदिर भी बनाना पड़ेगा, बहुत कुछ करना है। पहले हम लकड़ियाँ काटेंगे और ये पेड़ों को काट के हमको उधर डालना, फिर हमको वो गैस को लेंगे, उस डाल देंगे। फिर मैचेस है किसके पास? हाँ, लाइटर है। हाँ, फिर हम उधर आग डाल देंगे, फिर आ जाएगा आग। फिर रात को हम मजा करेंगे, खाना और चाय पियेंगे। चाय शीशा बनाएगा, खाना भाई बनाएगा,
फिर मैगी बनाएंगे उसमें और फिर सूप।
पर तो मैगी और सूप बनाने में हमको सामान भी लेके आना था, हम तो भूल ही गए सामान आना। मेरे बैग में है खाने का सामान। अच्छा, बड़ा अच्छा है यार।